Today I'm going to help you make your homes pop in the next 10 minutes. So get your aprons on and let's get going. I always need a ton of motivation to help me get moving. There's days where I have it and there's days I just don't. I will listen to a podcast on cleaning or organizing or watch a YouTube or / listen to a YouTube video in the background as I get stuff done to help motivate me. So I pray that this video does that for you as well. So to make my home pop, I am starting in the kitchen. I have 2 days worth of dishes to get done. It's been crazy for the kids' schedule. They've been taking care of their zones. This zone this week is with Shaylee, so I'm doing the bulk of the work this week. I noticed I'm doing a lot more dishes in pots and pans with her being homeschooled, and then there is a day during the week that my boys don't have school, so I am cooking more and there's a lot more dishes, so I'm getting this all cleaned up. I hate doing the dishes, you guys. Seriously, it's the worst. And so I always sympathize with my kids when they complain about doing the dishes, and I'm like, I know it is the worst. Yes, it is the pits, but we gotta get it done. So I do the same things for my kids. If you see that little speaker in front of my sink, I play music for them too to get them going and get motivated and just to help them through it. So you could say on this night, I am doing my night routine, just filling up the dishwasher, wiping out my sink, disinfecting it, and wiping down the counters. I always try to do a load in the dishwasher before I go to bed. That's part of my night routine. And I do have videos on my night routine. I'll link them down below for you. But I basically do the same things. I try to make sure that the sink is emptied, disinfected, the dishwasher is running. There's some nights I will mop the floor. This night, that did not happen. I just wanted to get all these dishes done and out of my hair. And then with my night routine, I'm also thinking about dinner for the next day. I already have a slow cooker meal picked out for tomorrow. I already thawed out chicken earlier in the day, so I'm ready to go for dinner tomorrow. Then I like to give everything just a good wipe down. Then I do reboot laundry in the evening, so I will move things to the dryer, do another load, and I will do laundry until I go to bed, you guys. I feel like I'm always doing laundry. My oldest son does his own, and I'm still teaching Boston and Shaylee, but for the most part, I'm doing laundry all day, and I'll do it all into the evening. I don't mind laundry. It's one I really don't mind. And next in my laundry room, I'm just cleaning up the homework station. All of this is from Homeschool with Shaylee. So I'm just giving this a good pickup. I reorganized her homeschooling things. I'll be sharing it in a video with you guys, but I have a system that I just put together over the weekend that has been awesome all week. It's just better for me in my brain. So I'll be sharing that soon. So I'm just kind of picking up the mess from school and from creating that new structure organization, so I'm giving it a good cleanup. I get asked a lot where I got that aqua bin from. I actually got that from either Walmart or Michael's. They both carry them. You'll see more of those at Walmart at back to school time. I think they're called Lightmate or something like that. They work really, really good. And that portable desk the pink portable desk I also got at Michael's. So next I'm just cleaning up the table from homeschool. I did do some, as you could see, laundry, and I'm putting my makeup away. I did my makeup in the car today, going to and from picking up boys from activities. I always keep a blanket on a chair because I do get cold in the mornings, and I'll just have that on my lap when we start our school. On the chair there, you can see the little blue round inflatable disc thing. Shaylee sits on that to get the wiggles out while she's doing school. It helps her to concentrate. We actually have 2 of those, a pink one and a blue one, and they really do work. I think you can find them on Amazon. They're like an exercise equipment, I guess, but they work really good if you have a child that can't sit still and has to get the wiggles out. So I'm just giving the table a cleanup and a wipe up from the day of school and just eating and all the above. Fresh. Ready for tomorrow. Feels so good. All right, we're moving into the bathroom. So I'm giving the counters a good wipe down. I try to do this as part of my night routine. Go in, look at the bathroom. Whoever has that zone, my kids have their own zone cleaning as well. I'll leave a video down below. I do have them pick things up off the floor and everything. But I was in the mood to clean tonight. So I'm sharing with you me cleaning the bathroom. I know I have mentioned before in other videos of having the help of a cleaning lady coming in and helping me out. Well, since we moved into this home, I only have her clean the bathroom. I don't have her touch any other part of the house because honestly, we're in a much smaller space and we can keep up with it. So I just have her come twice a month to scrub the showers, really give a good deep clean, and we maintain it during the week. So the kids have this in their zone and they do a really good job. So tonight I'm coming in and doing my mommy cleaning and doing all those extra things. It always feels good to wake up in the morning to a nice, fresh, clean bathroom. Everything wiped down, disinfected. And I like doing this. I've always enjoyed doing this, but during the COVID season, I'm like, yeah, we're gonna wipe down things really good. I also try at night to go through with a disinfectant wipe to wipe down all doorknobs and light switches as well. So in the bathroom, I definitely get in and clean the handles and the doorknobs and things just to get those germs off, and we could start the new day fresh. Now I'm just folding up some towels. I do have the cabinet here in the bathroom where I do keep towels, but we have a towel rack over our toilet in the toilet room part of the bathroom. I had Derek install it in case they forget to grab one from the cabinet, and that way we always have them. They could just reach in from the shower and always have a fresh towel. Next, the kids have pretty much done their zone in here. I'm just coming through and just tidying up, putting a few things away. They've done a really good job this week with their zones. Well, I am done and I am closing up shop. It feels so good. I made major progress in the home today, gave it some TLC, and I definitely say that I made it pop. So I hope this video gave you the motivation to get up and get going. Take a look around and look at your home and think, what can I do in this space or this room or in my home in general to make it pop? What can I do to make progress? Well, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.